Twitter has a lot of noise, so creating a list of my interests with 10 or 15 accounts helps to reduce that noise. What I'm going to do is create a list of really good accounts, and those are the accounts I'm going to look at when I want to find good tweets. To do that, I have to find an area of interest. In this case, I'm going to type in history teacher. Actually, it's right here, so I'm going to click on that. And I can view all the people in the history teacher list, but I'm just going to click on this one. This looks like a good account. It has over 1,400 followers. So the next thing I'm going to do is create the list. And I only have to do that once. So I'm going to click on these three dots and then add or remove from lists. History Teacher Resources is not in my list, so I'm going to create that list, and I'm going to call it History Teacher Resources. So I typed in the title and a brief description, and I'm going to save the list. At this point, I'm going to select the History Teacher Resources list, and that means that the account that I'm on is actually put into that list. Let me add one more. So history teacher. I'm not necessarily thrilled with this one, so I'm going to click View All. It turns out it's a bit tricky to find good accounts, but I think this one is worth it. So I'm going to click on it, click on the three dots, select Add or Remove from Lists, and then History Teacher Resources. Close that window. If you want to view your list, you go back to your account, click on Lists, then History Teacher Resources. And now all the tweets from these two accounts will appear on this list, and I can peruse them and figure out which ones are useful for me and which ones aren't. And that's how you create a list.